Hello everybody, Ravi here with the Rite Aid deals for the week of January 24th to 30th of 2021. So I want to talk about a rollable bonus cash scenario. So if you're a newbie or a coupon that wants to increase their bonus cash, this is an extremely easy way to do so. And I'm gonna tell you guys a rollable scenario. So what is Robbie talking about with rollable scenario? Why did he keep saying roll your bonus cash, roll your rewards? Well, I'm always telling you guys to roll your reward because that is the goal of couponing. You're always supposed to pay less out of pocket and use your rewards as much as possible. I know at certain drugstores, like the one that starts with a W, you can't really always roll your rewards during those spend deals and whatever. But at Rite Aid, always roll your rewards. It's the best. Rite Aid is always the best with rollable rewards, rollable deals. So hopefully I can try to explain this as best as possible. Always in couponing, you should be paying very less out of pocket. That's the why would you start couponing in the first place? Because you want to save money, right? So I'm going to talk about a great way to start this week at Rite Aid if you haven't already. And yeah, this is very extremely friendly. Hopefully many of you will enjoy this. Okay, so at Rite Aid this week, okay, I'm going to show you guys select Rite Aid office supplies. It is 25% off of the regular price, and you get $2 in bonus cash back when you buy one. It's a limit of 2 offers per card. Now, it's only 2 of any Rite Aid office supply. So you can only get 2 max per card of any office supply. So you can do 2 rulers, you can do 2 of the 1 ruler and 1 tape, or a post-it note and whatever. You only get 2 office supplies max per card. I don't understand what the issue is. It clearly tells you in the ad, which is very frustrating to me when it clearly just says limit 2, select Rite Aid office supplies. That's all. So it's only limit 2 per card anyway. All right, now let me talk about a rollable scenario. So if you're starting out here at Rite Aid, you don't want to invest too much money. Obviously, I haven't invested that much money in the past. When Plenty started, I think back in 2015? Was that what it is? That's when I had my my investment in. And then maybe when bonus cash started back in 2018, I think I invested a little bit too. It's because there was some mishap that was going on at that time. But if you're a newbie couponer, you really don't care about the past. Only only a seasoned couponers know about that. Anyway, we want to start off with the product that will fetch us a lot of money, and then you can roll that money again and keep rolling it and keep rolling it, and then you can build up your bonus cash as well. So what did I do? I'm gonna start off with the ruler. Okay, so this ruler is tagged for 99 cents, and that's at my store. I don't know about your store. And you get 25% off that regular price. So my price was 74 cents for this ruler. Add the 4 cents in tax, this makes it 78 cents, right? So I would pay 78 cents and I will get back $2 in bonus cash. And I cannot use the bonus cash until the next day, right? Why am I not buying both of them in the same transaction, Ravi? It's a moneymaker, right? Well, yes, but you're paying out of pocket. You are gonna invest another $1.11 for this at the same time. Why? Why? Start off slow, start off with a 78 cents, get your $2, go back tomorrow, and then use those $2 to buy something a little bit more expensive if you want. Or if you want to buy a ruler again, go right ahead, buy a ruler again and make more money. All right, so you pay another 78 cents or something, or you pay $1.11 plus this tax, and then you get another $2, and you're just using your bonus cash the next day. Obviously, this is over 3 days. Bonus cash always loads 6 a.m. the next day, right? That's standard. And I know, oh my god, I can't make so many trips, or the Rite Aid is this far and that far. Well, you have to do, you have to do something about it, right? You if you want to pay less out of pocket, you want more bonus cash, you gotta do these types of steps. Look, when I was in the past, I even rode my bike to Rite Aid. I didn't even take the car. I said I'm gonna try to save gas. I took the my bicycle to Rite Aid and bought stuff. And yeah, that's how I rolled before. That was my mindset back then. It's still my mindset now. I wouldn't ride my bike that much. Now I have a bonus cash, so I can go and roll it every week. But anyway, this is for newbies, right? Anyway, so we start slow. 78 cents, get $2 back. Next day, do it again. All right, and then you have your bonus cash. Then you have your bonus cash for the next day, whatever, $2 plus whatever that you have left, right? And then the next day, what you can do is buy Irish Spring. Oh, you want Irish Spring? Okay, fine. Well, guess what? The Irish Spring, if you use a $2 in-app coupon, it's on sale for $3.99. Use the $2 in-app coupon, makes it $1.99. And you already have like $2 at least, because you're gonna earn $2 from this deal, right? And plus whatever few cents you have left, right? You can pay $1.99 plus tax on this, so probably like $2.12. That's how much I think mine is. Right? So you can use your bonus cash to pay everything, right? Even the tax, and you'll get back $1 in bonus cash again, right? So you're rolling your rewards. You're just using your rewards to buy the items. That's what you're supposed to do in couponing. You're not just supposed to buy everything all at one shot, or you know, paying so much and getting the money back in bonus cash. I don't understand the people that do that. I don't know if they have like if they resell it or whatever, or it's just that they think that's saving, but to me that's not saving. Rolling your bonus cash is saving. So basically you'll have the $1 and whatever cents the next day to use the fourth transaction if you want to get something else. So yeah, that's how it is. That's what you're supposed to do. Roll your bonus cash, and then that's how you build it up or whatever. And if you don't want Irish Spring, you don't have to get it. You can just keep it like this, right? You buy these two, one this day, one the next day, and then have your bonus cash sitting there. Next week, do rollable bonus cash deals that make money, and then that's how you build up your bonus cash. That's how I did it. I don't buy everything sometimes all in one shot. If I don't have bonus cash to pay for anything, I would stop and go back the next day. That's how it is. Like, if I did not have $12 in bonus cash to pay for this stuff, I wouldn't do it. I would wait until I had that much in order to do it. And that's how it is. I know sometimes you have to start from deals that you don't like, that only make you money, and then you can buy the stuff you like in the future. That's how it is. Unfortunately, you have to buy these kind of items before you can, buy the items that you need. That's how I think of it. You just buy the things that make you the money maker, but don't invest high amounts of money if you don't need to. Like, start off like this. Okay, you have to buy the ruler because that's a $1 plus money maker, and then the next day you can use that to pay for that, right? So, yeah, that's how it is. I think I explained this right. Yeah. Anyway, hopefully I made some kind of sense. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. I'm not in charge of your money. I'm just here to tell you guys what what I do and how I get so much bonus cash and how much moneymaker is becomes. You know, just start off slow and everything. That's it. All right. So thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hopefully this was a little bit helpful. Let me know. And have a great day. I'll maybe make another video next week and see how we can roll bonus cash. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.